Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Nirmala's Cooking Magic. Today I am sharing a healthy and easy recipe is overnight oats with mango. Overnight oats are ideal for a healthy breakfast, especially on those busy mornings. And the best thing about overnight oats are they can be made ahead and does not require any cooking. Overnight oats are just soaked overnight, which makes them absorb the liquid in which you soak the oats. So, if your mornings are hectic, overnight oats are a nutritious and tasty meals that can be ready the moment you wake up. Take mixing bowl. In this bowl, add half cup of instant oats. Instant oats are pre-cooked. In these oats, add 3 by 4 cup of toned milk, half cup of curd, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or basil seeds. Here I am using basil seeds. For sweetness, I am using 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use 3 to 4 dates or you can add coconut sugar. Try to avoid refined sugar and add 1 by 4 teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds and give this a good mix. The basil seeds will swell up and thicken. Now covered with a lid and keep it in the refrigerator overnight or about 6 to 8 hours. And the next day morning, your overnight oats will be ready to serve. Yes, you can see oats and basil seeds as soaked the liquid. Take soaked overnight oats into a glass and top up with choice of your fruits. Add 1 tablespoon of roasted nuts. If you are a working person, prepare this at night so that you can take it with you in the morning. Now my easy no cook overnight oats is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know how this turns out. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.